How to pack a suit coat.
Hi, I'm Lori, a senior solo traveler, and I previously posted a video on different ways to pack jackets and coats. But I did get some feedback that my method for packing a suit coat didn't work as well for men's coats.
So I acquired a larger suit coat and will show you two methods that I think will work well. I do need to say that fabric makes a huge difference. Generally, the cheaper the coat, the more prone it is to wrinkles. Method 1. This method is the quickest, but maybe not the most effective. You start with your hands in each shoulder, press them together. You have to grab both sides of the coat with one hand and then flip the other side over. Pull the collar out and then fold over your arm. Now it is ready for putting in your suitcase or placing in the overhead bin. I'll show you in slow motion. Method 2. I think this method is better for suit coats with shoulder pads. You start by inverting both shoulders, making sure that the shoulder pads aren't crinkled. Put each hand in an inverted shoulder, then clap your hands together. Grab both shoulders through the fabric with one hand. With the other hand, grab the shoulders and try to align the shoulder seams, opening the collar. Shake it a little once you have the shoulders aligned, and then lay on a flat surface. Your shoulders should look like this. Now line the lapels and smooth the fabric. Then fold the top part over the bottom at its natural crease. If you are really limited for space, you can fold it in thirds. Start folding the bottom first, then fold the top over it. Your goal is to fold where there is a somewhat natural crease in the fabric. You don't want to fold where there is a pocket flap or other suit coat details. If your coat does acquire some wrinkles, hang it up as soon as you get to your destination. Hanging it in the bathroom when you take a shower can often steam out any wrinkles. So that's it. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Also, check out my other video on packing jackets and coats, as well as the Senior Solo Travel website and Facebook forum. I have left links to all in the description below. Happy travels! Cheers!